We're here at the church today. Just gonna check out the videos that we did in Niue. Oh no, welcome back. Here on time, but looks like Hawaii. Got everyone here. Got everyone here. Early. Oh, the kids are here, but can't find any adults. Faith's here. She's an adult now. She's 20. Oh yeah, look who's arrived. Yep. Is that Stevenson? Hey, still here. Stevenson's still here. Let's quickly make the pork, slow cooked pork, and do some bloody kumara. Rush. Yeah. Here we're here setting up the food. Tose tau kai, kai mautolo.
Hey, mautolo. E kapia, kaufi.
Oh, kaufi. Povi, moa.
Coleslaw.
KFC, I thought. Oh, that's what we had at Faith's. That's gonna be going first. 9 hours. It's a Povi.
Oh, cool. Do you want to have a look in here?
That's just kumara.
Yeah,
David, how are you, Dave?
Happy birthday first. In India for home. This is your parents. Yeah, my good cousin. I like you're 21, because you're like 50. Lots of members with you. You really told me to sit with a job. I said, nah, get my job for yourself. But happy birthday, Hannah. I love you so much. Yeah, so have a good rest of your day. Wish your parents, listen to your parents' faith. Your good cousin, keep it up. Go to school, go to home. Yep, Linda.
Go it. Yep, so we're here now. We're just here to watch our videos that we shot at Niue. The kids did some videos to do up the Niue language. So we're just gonna have a watch. If you want to see the videos, check it out on YouTube. They'll either be on the shorts or on the videos. So, yeah. Just trying to get the banga whole new way up, so the kids are learning. And this is everyone here. Okay, looks like we're gonna start. Everyone was taught to wear yellow, and it looks like we're the only one that got the brief. What? And here's Lani.
Thank you.
Just finished watching the videos. The videos were awesome. We're just waiting on one more. Oh, there's Peter. There's brother Peter. The videos were awesome. And we're just serving. Yep. Oh, this is what we came for. How many hours, Piha?
This one is 7 hours. So
nice. Yeah, the videos are awesome. So if you want to check out some resources, check out the YouTube channel. There's 4 videos that the kids did on the youth day. And yeah, it's awesome. Now we're just having a feed just to end the day. Thanks everybody for watching. If you're still watching, might have to come up with some training videos coming up. Been doing a lot of Niue stuff lately. Being inspired by the brother Paul, Desmond, Stephen Icky, DJ Lemonite. These are my Niue bros hitting the gym stuff, so yeah, maybe in the future. But until then, thanks for watching. Good old Ponupovi. For local. But there's some left.
Thank you.